Hi everyone, this time I'm flashing my scooter with custom firmware. Please read the disclaimer and remember, this is at your own risk. At first you need firmware from this site. Download it directly to your smartphone. This firmware will increase max speed and disable scarce braking while coasting. You need an app for flashing firmware. Download it from Play Market. Check the video description for links. Connect your scooter to smartphone and choose the firmware file that you have downloaded. It will warn you that this firmware is not suitable. No worries, push the flash button and patiently wait. That's it, you flashed your scooter and are ready to go. If you want to use Xiaomi, then delete your scooter and pair it again. Don't upgrade firmware when prompted. Thanks for watching, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Tschüss!